Namaste. A very happy Independence Day to one and all gathered here. Thank you parents for your support and cooperation and being a part of our virtual Independence Day celebration. I am here today to take you through the events for the day. I hope all of you enjoyed this program. Welcome address by Nandini ma'am.
Good morning, dear parents and our lovely children. Kinderdale International Preschool proudly welcomes you all for the celebration of Independence Day on completing 74 years of freedom. India got her independence on 15th August 1947 after all the struggles and sacrifice. We celebrate Independence Day to pay tribute to our brave freedom fighters. This day teaches us the power of unity and also how we strengthen our bars. Vande Mataram tells us all we bow in front of you, Mother. We all are one. On this platform, we as proud Indians should request our fellow Indians to transfer and guide the respect, the culture and the rich heritage of India to their children because they are the future of our country. This will help you to build the better nation and make a mark on the globe. Jai Hind.
I now request all of you to stand for the flag hoisting, flag salute, the national anthem and the pledge.
India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness.
Now a view into our memories of the Independence Day celebrated in the school during our previous years.
ये जिंदगी है कौम की तो कौम पे लुटाए जा कदम कदम बढ़ाए जा खुशी के गीत गाए जा ये जिंदगी है कौम की तो कौम पे लुटाए जा शेरे हिंद आगे बढ़ मरने से फिर भी तू न डर उड़ा के दुश्मनों का सर जो वतन बढ़ाए तू शेरे हिंद आगे
incomplete without the participation of our little ones from playgroup and pre-KG. They will now recite nursery rhymes for you.
That's you. Yes. Yes.
Johnny.
A big applause for them, please. A virtual Independence Day competition was held for all our students. A glimpse into our competitions. Sit back and now enjoy the song sung by KG1 and KG2.
Right and right.
बोलो मेरे तंग जय हिंद
बढ़ाऊं
वो संतरी हमारा, वो पातवा हमारा, हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा। गोदी में खेलती है इसकी हजारों नदियाँ, हम गोदी में खेलती है इसकी हजारों नदियाँ। गुलशन है जिनके दम से रस्ते जना हमारा, हमारा सारी जहां से अच्छा। मज़हब नहीं सिखाता आप जहाँ लहर रखना, मज़हब नहीं सिखाता आपस में वैर रखना। हिंदी है हम, हिंदी है हम, हिंदी है हम, वतन है सा हिंदुस्तां हमारा, हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा। हमारा, हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा। हिंदुस्तां हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा। हंसी सिखाता हम बुलबुसी नदीना, बज सिखाता हम बुलबुसी नदीना। एन्नी हा, एन्नी हा, एन्नी हा, इफली है हिंदुस्तां हमारा, हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा। हिंदुस्तां हमारा, हम बुलबुले इसकी, गुलसिता हमारा, हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा। हिंदुस्तान हमारा हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा पलवत हो सब मजहब नहीं सिखाता आपस बैर रखना मजहब नहीं सिखाता आपस बैर रखना हिंदी है हम हिंदी है हम हिंदी है हम वतन है हिंदुस्तान हमारा हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदू हम बोले इसकी ये गुलसिता हमारा हमारा साहे जहां से अच्छा हमारा हमारा सारी जगह से अच्छा ये गुलसिता हमारा हमारा सारी जगह से अच्छा ओसन तेरी हमारा ऊपर सितारा मारा महारा सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदू सितारा मारा महारा सारे जहां से अच्छा गुलशन ने जिनके दम से रस के जहां जहां से अच्छा हमारा हमारा सारे जहां से सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा अमूल बुले इसकी ए गुलसिता हमारा हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा अमूल बुले इसकी ये गुलसिता हमारा हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा पर्वत हो सबसे ऊंचा हमसा का मकान का पर्वत हो सबसे ऊंचा हमसा यहाँ मकान का वो सभी हमारा 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 सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा है इसकी असारू नदिया गुलशन है जिसके दम से जिसकी जिनार हमारा हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा मजहब ने सिखाता आमस में बेर रखना मजहब ने सिखाता आमस में बेर रखना हिंदी है हम हिंदी है हम हिंदी है हम वतन है हिंदुस्तान हमारा हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा हम बुलबुले इसकी गुलसिता हमारा हमारा सारे जहां सारे जहां से अच्छा हमसाया आसमान का, ओशन तेरी हमारा, वो पासवान हमारा हमारा, सारे जगन से अच्छा, कोड़े में खिलती है इसकी हजारों नदियाँ, कोड़े में खिलती है इसकी हजारों नदियाँ, गुलशन है जिनकी दम से, रक्षी जना हमारा हमारा, सारे जगन से अच्छा, हिंदुस्तान हमारा हमारा, सारे जगन से अच्छा, मजहब नहीं सिखाता आपस में भाई रखना, मजहब नहीं सिखाता आपस में भाई रखना, हिंदी है हम, हिंदी है हम, हिंदी है हम, वतन है हिंदुस्तान हमारा हमारा, सारे जगन से अच्छा, हिंदुस्तान हमारा हमारा, सारे जगन से अच्छा, हम बुलबुलें बुले ऐसी की, ये गुलस्तान हमारा हमारा, सारे जगह से अच्छा। जय हिंद।
भाग रे भाग फिरंगी, झांसी की रानी आई है, भाल तिलक और हाथ खड़क, दुर्गा है काली माई है। अश्व चढ़ी प्रचंड विकट, ये मनु है लक्ष्मी बाई है, शोले बरसेंगे अब तुझ पर, तेरी शामत आई है। चपल नयन की धार तो देखो, गज पर भारी बार तो देखो, तेरे शीश को लेने आई झांसी की रानी आई, झांसी की रानी आई। भाग रे भाग फिरंगी, झांसी की रानी आई है, भाल तिलक और हाथ खड़क, दुर्गा है काली माई है।
Friends, today I am talking about one of the greatest freedom fighter, Mahatma Gandhi ji. We also call him as Bapuji. Bapuji was born on October 2nd, 1869. This day we all celebrate Gandhi Jayanti. Bapuji led many movements to bring the British flag down, such as Dandi March, Quit India, and many more. So, friends, his main principles are ahimsa and non-violence. So, friends, let us follow his principles. Jai Hind. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Jayden. Today I'm going to talk about my favorite freedom fighter. My favorite freedom fighter is Mahatma Gandhi. Gandhi was the great leader of India. He is also known as Bapu. Gandhi was born on October 2nd at Porbandar, Gujarat. We celebrate Gandhi Jayanti on October 2nd. Gandhiji was a Gandhiji was a lawyer and he studied in South Africa. Gandhiji realized that India was ruled by Britishers and he came back to India along with other freedom fighters and they fight for freedom. Gandhi believed in ahimsa. Ahimsa means no violence. With the help of all the other freedom fighters, India became independent on 15th August. That's why we celebrate 1947. That's why we celebrate Independence Day on 15th August. Advance happy Independence Day to all my teachers and my friends. Thank you all. Hi everyone, my name is Arjun. I am studying in KG2. Today I am Subhash Chandra Bose. I am the founder of Indian National Army. People call me Netaji Biplab. तुम मुझे भूल दो, मैं तुम्हें आजाद रहूंगा. Give me bread, I will give you freedom. I salute all the freedom fighters who dedicated their life for our country. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Today is 15th August. We are celebrating Independence Day. We hoist national flag on this day. We sing national anthem on this day. It is a pride with the fighters. It is a national holiday. We experience all in the celebrate on this day. Thank you. Happy Independence Day. I am Arif. I am going to talk about our freedom fighters, Mahatma Gandhi ji. He was a great leader. He was called as father of the nation and Babu. He was born on October 2nd and we celebrate that day as Gandhi Jayanti. He sacrificed his life for our country. He helped our country to get freedom on August 15th, 1947. Hence, we celebrate that day as Independence Day. He believed in non-violence and peace. He raised his voice for untouchability. He led many movements for our independence. Some of them are Dandi Mat Satyagraha. My name is Ayuka. Today I am going to talk about Independence Day. India got freedom 15 August 1947 from the British. Chacha Nehru became the first Prime Minister of India. He fought with his friends Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose. We hoist flag in Independence Day. It's a national holiday and everyone celebrates. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. My name is Rishabh Bhandari. Today I am going to talk about Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Subhash Chandra Bose was a great freedom fighter, and he was born on 23rd January 1897, and he was born in Cuttack, Odisha. And his father name was Janakinath Bose. And he fight for our country. He set up Azadi Fauj and an Indian army. And he said, तुम मुझे खून दो, मैं तुम्हें आजादी दूंगा. Thank you. Jai Hind. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Vihan Krishna. Today I'm going to talk about Mahatma Gandhi, the father of our nation. He was one of the greatest freedom fighters. He fought against mighty British Empire and won the freedom. Gandhiji believed in truth and ahimsa. Under his leadership, millions of Indians came and fought British. His weapons was not guns or bombs, but using truth and ahimsa and satyagraha. Even his enemies respected him. He is not just the leader of our country, but the whole world respected him. His service to and mankind will be remembered every time. His life should be respected to all the kids. Thank you. Hello everyone. My name is Manvir. Today I will talk about my country. My country's name is India. Capital of India is Delhi. There are 28 states in India. The national language is Hindi. The national anthem is Jana Gana Mana. India's flag is tricolor flag. Saffron says, be brave, be brave. White says, don't fight, don't fight. Green says, don't cut the trees, don't cut the trees. I love my country so much. Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram. My name is Tiana. Today I'm going to talk about my country. My country is India. We call India as Bharat or Hindustan. India is 7th largest country in the world. India is democratic country. I love my country very much. I proud to be in Indian. Jai Hind. It's located in Gujarat. Thank you. The first originator of India. Namaste everyone. My name is talk about Mahatma Gandhi. Today we are going to talk about Subhash Chandra Bose. I love my country. Jai Hind. Thank you. Jai Hind. Thank you. We celebrate Independence Day. Today I'm going to talk about Subhash Chandra Bose. Nizra Savarkar. I love my country. Thank you.
A big round of applause for them, parents. As proud and brave Indians, we are ready to face any difficulties and obstructions that come our way. Let us now move forward to make a happy, prosperous and a united India. Last but not the least, I request all parents to join together to sing the chorus of the song, Chodo Kal Ki Baatein.
छोड़ो कल की बातें, कल की बातें नए दौर में लिखेंगे मिलकर नई कहानी। हम हिंदुस्तानी, हम हिंदुस्तानी, हम हिंदुस्तानी, हम हिंदुस्तानी। छोड़ो कल की बातें, कल की बात पुरानी, नए दौर में लिखेंगे मिलकर नई कहानी। हम हिंदुस्तानी, हम हिंदुस्तानी, हम हिंदुस्तानी, हम हिंदुस्तानी।
Yay!